Hi kids! We meet again. Today we are going to learn English language with teacher Alia. Are you ready? Let's go! So today is words with egg ending sound. Learning Standard BI 2.2.6 Recognize and sound out initial, middle and ending sounds in a word. Objective: at the end of lessons, pupils will be able to say aloud 4 words with egg ending sounds correctly. Let's do some revision. Sound with at ending sound. Bat, cat, hat, mat, rat, fat. Words with an ending sound. Man, can, pan, van, tan, fan. Words with ap ending sound. Map, cap, nap, gap, tap, lap. Egg, 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 egg. Bag, b, egg, bag, 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 bag. Leg, egg, leg, 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 leg. Rag, egg, rag, 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 rag. Tag, egg, tag, 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 tag. Wag, egg, wag, 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 wag. Zeg, egg, zeg, 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 zeg. Let's read again. Bag, bag, leg, leg, rag, rag, tag, tag, wag, wag, zeg, zeg. Can you read it? What is this? Zag or wag? Do you know the answer? Yes, wag, wag. What is this? Tag or leg? Yes, leg, leg. What is this? Rag or bag? I'm sure you know it. Yes, it's a bag. Very good. Okay, what is this? Leg or rag? The answer is rag, rag. What is this? Rag or tag? Yes, it's a tag. This is a tag. What is this? Wag or zag? Yes, it's a zag, zag. You got it all correct? Good job, kids. Okay, now circle the objects begin with egg ending sound. Let's see what do we have here. Zag, cat, tag, rag, cap, and fan. So, do you know the answer, kids? Circle the objects begin with egg ending sound. I'm giving you time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the answer. The answers are zag, tag, and rag. Did you got it all correctly? Well done. Okay, it's time for exercise. You can find these worksheets in the module I've given you. Write the correct letters. Bag, tag, wag, rag, cat, rat, hat, and mat. Okay? For example, the first one is wag. So, you will write here the answer like this. Okay? Okay, W A G, wag. Okay, each box represent one letter. Can you do it? Good luck. Okay, before we go, there's another task for you. Reading time. Okay, it's reading time. Read the phrases and simple sentence. Tick right if you can say it right. Okay, the first one is, do you know what is this? Yes, we have learned it before. Cap. Okay, it's a cap. Cap. A cap. This is a cap. This is a cap. Okay, for the second picture, it's a hat. Okay, hat, 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 a hat, a hat. This is a hat. This is a hat. Okay, practice with your mother or your father to read the phrases and simple sentence. Good luck, kids. Goodbye.